Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Pick up the iPhone and unlock it with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode so you can change secure options. Once unlocked, open Settings and scroll to Face ID and passcode, or Touch ID and passcode on older models. You'll be asked to enter your passcode. Do that. This quick step verifies you're authorized. Make sure you complete it before moving on because the Control Center lock setting is protected behind this security screen. Once inside the passcode settings, scroll down to the Allow Access When Locked section. You'll see a list of features you can expose while the phone is locked. This is where Control Center access is managed. Tap the switch next to Control Center so it turns off. You're doing this to prevent anyone from changing quick settings, toggling Wi-Fi, or using other shortcuts without unlocking the phone. Make sure the switch shows off. Otherwise, the Control Center will remain available on the lock screen. Finish by locking the iPhone and attempting the usual swipe gesture to open Control Center. It should no longer appear. If Control Center still opens, go back to Face ID and passcode and confirm the Control Center toggle is off. Sometimes a quick restart makes the change take effect. If that fails, update iOS and repeat the steps because software bugs can prevent settings from applying. Once confirmed, your lock screen will no longer expose Control Center features to anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.